Hello. So it's Friday. It's like past 6:30. I can't see because I don't have my glasses or my contacts in, but oh my gosh, I feel such a relief. This week has been so bad. It's been so freaking bad. I have not had a chance to breathe. You know those days or those weeks where you're just like, you have so much to do and you are just so overwhelmed and so like anxious, like all the negative feelings build up that when you actually have free time, you're just like, I don't even want to do anything. That's the point that I'm at right now, because the work week was chaotic. It was literally one of the worst, but now it's the weekend and I get to just chill out. So today, Friday, I'm just staying at home. I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare, which is why I just wanted to show you guys and just start off my maintenance week before my trip, because I do have a trip coming up, so I need to get on myself for that. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare. Like I told you, I have not gotten a facial in so many months since I did my last video, and you guys, I cannot last this long without doing a facial. Like at this point in my life, at this age, I'm not old, but still at this age, you need to be doing facials like every single month, and I just haven't had any time because I have just had so much to pay for. I had to pay for my equipment for my trip to California and just a lot. So when I come back from this next trip that I'm gonna be going on, that I'm also gonna be vlogging for you guys, then I have to go get an actual facial. But for right now, I'm going to do like a small mini, not even a facial. I'm just gonna be using these guys right here. Well, one of these, I don't know which one to use. This is basically just a like a sheet mask. And let me actually show you guys, because this is not what I was using. If you can see my skin, it's a little bit like I have little marks. I have some mark up here because I'm an idiot and I had like a blackhead or something, and my idiot self decided to try to take it out, and now I have a mark. And that's why you don't do it yourself. That's why you go to the professionals to do it for you, because then you end up like this. And then I just have like random little spots, but whatever. So I'm gonna do a little sheet mask. So before I show you guys this is actually the one that I used to use a lot, and it actually works really well. But when I went to do my facial, she told me that I don't need to use this because I don't have problematic skin, and this is way too intense and way too invasive for my skin type. This is for somebody that has like really bad skin problems. So she said that I'm better off just using these guys. So this one is from Sephora. I actually used their I forgot which one it was. It was either the avocado or one of the green ones that they had in Sephora, and it was really good. It was really refreshing on the face. This one I got from Ulta, and it's a rice mask, and it's supposed to be for clearing skin. So I think I'm gonna use this one. I don't know if you guys have ever used these sheet masks, but you look crazy. And this one, you're supposed to leave on for 20 to 30 minutes, and I don't have glasses, so I want to watch TV while I have this on. But let me just show you guys how it looks when you put it on. You look literally insane. So I'm gonna put this sheet mask on, and I can't see anything, but I might have to put my glasses on to watch this show. So this stuff comes out so like really dampened. Look at how crazy. Like, I'm going to look so insane. Okay. Do you guys see this? I look like I'm wearing a slice of ham on my face. It smells really good though. So how am I gonna watch TV now? Let's see, can I drink water? I don't want this stuff to get on the water bottle. Okay, hold on. It's a little bit more complicated. Okay, I think that worked. Now let me Oh. Oh my god! What the hell? I look so stupid. What? Wow. I hope you guys enjoy. What time is it? I have to leave this on for 20. I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes till 7:20. At least I can watch TV now. But yo, I look crazy. I look crazy. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. So let's take this off. And I don't know what you're supposed to do. I don't know if you guys can tell any difference, but it definitely feels like, it feels really refreshed. And it feels like it actually got into my skin, which is great. My skin looks a little bit better, it looks a little bit brighter. But I definitely need this actual facial with like getting everything out of my pores, especially for the summertime because I get so oily. Okay. We're going to the roof and I'm out of breath. I can't deal.
The only thing is I don't like the wood. I feel like I'm gonna get splinters in my ass if I like. That's not super comfortable. It's not horrible, but it's not like.
Oh, it's not? Let's try it out.
Okay.
Probably not gonna be comfortable. Okay. It's these chairs. They're wooden. It's supposed to go with the curves of your body.
The headpiece is down. It's all the way down. You have to like pick it up from the back.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh, what the
You
hell?
have to like tuck it in. I see.
Like
See
that?
the things on the on the side. You have to tuck it into the.
Oh.
Down. Wait, bring it down. Right there. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god, yes. It feels like wood, obviously, but it's supposed to go with the curves of your body. I feel like maybe if you got like
it would need like a padding.
like a cushion, or maybe even stacked up yoga mats if you have yoga mats.
Oh, that's true. That's a good idea.
Or like,
I only have one yoga mat, but it might work.
this is nice. This is very nice to just tan. I just feel like it's hotter than the backyard because of this.
It's close.
Robin trying to get on the couch. She's like, I'm gonna find a way on here somehow. Look, now she's coming.
Down. Ah! Robin, smile. Hi. What is Jupiter's legacy?
Somebody's crying because they want to come down.
Yo, he be lying. He knows how to come down. He lies.
Who it is? It's Jordan?
Jordan, of course. Fucking Friday.
Look.
No, you don't do that. You don't do that. You don't.
Look who's here. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Back to the outside. We are having a cookout. We already did round 1. Now it's round 2 because we are hungry. It looks like it might be off.
It's hot. It's like half in front.
Definitely not a pro at this, at setting up a grill. I know how to actually grill like the food, but I'm not a pro at setting this up. Look at this little guy. Hey, no, that's charcoal. You cannot eat that. Look at this little girl. She has charcoal all over her face. Over there, please. Oh, there we go. It turned. Oof. Let me see. Whoa!
Oh my god. Okay, that worked.
Okay, I guess it was still on. Okay. Hi. Hi. You're so adorable. He just wants food. Hello. Good morning. It is super early right now. It is 5:47 in the morning. I woke up like at 4:45 or something. It's Monday. FYI, it is Monday at 5:48 in the morning. And since I can't go back to sleep, I was like, let me just go to the gym super early. I used to be, like years ago, I used to be so good at that. I used to wake up at 5:30 in the morning every day, go to the gym, and just get my day started. And that was the best routine and schedule that I ever had. So let's see if I can get through today. I'm just going to prepare my pre-workout because at this time I cannot, like, I'm so tired and I have my contacts in. Contacts at this time are not good because they make you so tired. This is the pre-workout that I use. This stuff is really, really good. I had to take my pre-workout with me because I have to take the train to the gym, and I'm not, like, my gym is not close by. It's well, driving is close by, but on the train it's like a 35 to 45 minutes train ride. But excuses is what got me to eat freaking chicken wings and pizza. Oh my gosh, I gained like 1 to 2 pounds yesterday. I mean, it's probably just like water weight or whatever, but that means that today I need to like cleanse, detox, whatever. I do not remember the last time I had to go anywhere at 6 o'clock in the morning. Fuck. At least it's nice and quiet. Right now I feel like everybody usually takes the train or has somewhere to go starting like at 7, so hopefully the trains are not packed. Legs for over 40 minutes. I'm done. The past 2 days I literally ate like crap. We were barbecuing or grilling or whatever on Saturday, like I showed you, and then yesterday I ate like just complete crap. I had pizza, I had chicken wings and fried rice, ice cream. When I do that and I try to go back to working out, even with pre-workout, like the pre-workout definitely helped me. It was hard. It was just hard. But now I'm gonna go get I'm gonna see if the smoothie place is open so I can get a green smoothie because I need it. Okay. So I got my protein shake, but I have to tell you guys this story. Oh, this is good. So embarrassing. So maybe like a week ago or something, I went to this juice spot or whatever, Juicery, by where I live, and they pretty much they mainly speak Spanish or whatever. So I was ordering just a strawberry banana smoothie, and the girl didn't understand what I was saying, so this is just embarrassing. So I was like, okay, I got you, girl. Like, I'm going to translate it to Spanish because I'm bilingual, right? Or so I thought. So I was like, at first I was like, can I get a strawberry banana smoothie? And then But she asked again. I was like, ¿me puedes dar un smoothie de strawberry y banana con leche? She looked at me like, what the f did you just say to me? And I didn't realize, like, I was so confident, and I didn't realize that that's not a word in Spanish until she looked at me crazy and then was like, uno de fresa y banana? I was like, oh shit, this is embarrassing. Yes, you are so right. Now let me get the hell out of here because this is so embarrassing. Like, I need to go home and take fluent in Spanish off of my resume because clearly I'm not. Clearly I'm fluent in Spanglish or some fake Spanish that I made up. So embarrassing. But now I'm walking back home because I need to start my day. So happy Monday.
That looks fire, right?
This is fried tomatoes.
Take your pictures now.
Okay, we gotta go viral. Take your pictures now. Nobody eat. I don't even know how to eat this. There's no way I could wipe this.
No, you have to cut it.
Good? Let's try the buffalo.
This is a small.
That's magically delicious.
That's a small.
This is a small, imagine the big shit.
That's crazy.
I gotta freaking cut my sandwich.
And that's the end. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's really random and it's just a bunch of random stuff that I did throughout the week, but I thought I would just take you guys along with me. And yeah, we are ending where we started off. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.